Alright, so nag-book kami ng hotel sa Chinchashoy and then we booked this Kimberly Hotel. Malapit lang siya sa mga NTR station and bus station. And then, ayan yung hotel na binook namin. And then, there's the Kimberly Plaza over there. And papasok tayo ngayon. So, this is our day 4 ng stay namin dito sa Kimberly Hotel. At papasok tayo ngayon sa basement, which is, ito lang yung para sa mga taxis and stuff like that. And then yung lobby niya is yung nasa taas. So, day 4 na namin, mag-room tour tayo.
Bakit?
Ha? Alright. So, kukuha muna daw si Dad ng coffee sa lobby bago kami sumakay ng elevator here. So, day 4, imagine siguro sobrang gulo na ng mga gamit namin doon. Pero, ang maganda dito sa Kimberly Hotel, araw-araw silang naglilinis. Safe yung mga gamit nyo, don't worry. At araw-araw din silang nagre-refill ng mga tubig, kape, tapos pinapalitan nila everyday yung mga towels, which is very good. Tapos may mga slippers din. And then here, may mini fan. So, akyat tayo ngayon sa lobby. I think this is the Mezzino. So, we're going to the hotel lobby. Ang aming room ay nasa 15th floor. Mamimiss namin dito, though ang mahal. Pero, ang mura niya, since nasa city siya, around Chimchashoy. So, nabook namin siya for only 17,000 plus because binook namin siya using our Metrobank. So, may less na 4,000. So, meron ditong welcome drinks if you want coffee or tea. And then, on the other side, usually meron silang juice area dito, iced tea. And then, ito yung hotel lobby nila. Cashier and coverage room over there. And, yan, nakuha lang si Dad ng coffee. Si coffee yan everyday coffee. Meron na ba? Oh, sorry, it's out of order. So, punta na tayo ng elevator. So, ang floor namin is the 15th floor. So, yeah, see you later. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Mag-room tour si Mama. So, they have key card. And they gave us 2 key cards. Walang security deposit na kinuha sa amin when we check in. Passport ang kinuha. And then yung booking confirmation from Klook. And then we're here na. So, paglabas lang ng elevator is, ayan na yung room namin. So, ito yung hallway. Tapos, ito na yung, namin, door. So, let's go! So, itap lang natin tong key card. Wait lang, Baba. Oops! So, let's see. Oh, it's clean na. So, pagpasok pa lang, itong dalawang mirror, it's a cabinet. Ito yung mga gamit namin sa loob. Di ba magulo? Pero nandyan lahat para hindi magulo sa labas.
Who clean our bedroom?
The lady cleaner. And then this is our bathroom. So, yeah, malinis na. As you can see, magulo to nung inahiwan namin. Pero, may bagong palet ng towels. And then, shower curtain. May libreng shampoo, body shower, conditioner. Ayan, yung libre. Yun yung dala kong sabon. And then, may bathtub sila. Tapos, ay yung shampoo ni baby. At ayun yung mga libreng towels. Nakita yung mga panty. So, ayun yung bathtub. Tapos, toilet. Wala silang bidet, guys. Pero they have 2 toilet. Dito. 2 tissue. So, gamit lang kayo ng bili kayo ng tabo or bidet or baso. Bili kayo ng baso. Tapos, in this area, after ng door, ito pa pala, meron tayo ditong mini pantry and ref sa unahan. Sa unahan, sa baba. Dad, can you open? So we have, ayan, meron tayo ditong, ano yan? Yung caja de oro. Sorry. And then yung ref. Open mo yung ref, Dad. Baby. Yan. Hindi namin na-open yata yan. And then, yan. Ay, may water. Tapos may libreng water bottle. Tapos may coffee. And then yung mini pantry. And then ito yung key card, ilaw. Then yung cleaning. And etc. So dito namin nilalagay yung mga shoes namin. So ngayon, magpapalit lang kami for that Avenue of Stars. So pagpasok, meron ditong little painting na may kasamang TV at ito yung bedroom. Ouch. This is a queen size bed or double room. Or double room. Ay! No, tubig! Natatapon! So, ito yung double bed or queen bed, I think. Pero kasya kaming tatlo, which is good. Kasi yung nakalagay dun sa voucher, double bed lang. Pero yung binuko kasi is queen. So, this is the bed. It looks big. Baby, can you jump so they can see how big it is? Hey! In the middle. See? Ganyan po yung kalaki yung bed. And then, may side table tayo dito for your stuff. And may bago na naman tsinelas. Ayan, may bago na naman. Marami kami mauuwi na pasalubong sa Pilipinas na tsinelas. And then they have the phone, tissue, and lamp. And then on the other side, ito naman yung working space or working area nyo if kayo ay nagta-travel or work from home. Ay, nagta-travel. If kayo ay nag-work from home na nagta-travel. Ano ba yun? Basta kung freelancer kayo. So, meron na siya ditong saksakan sa table. Tapos, remember, iba yung saksakan nila. Kailangan nyo bumili ng adapter. Kami, nagdala lang kami nitong extension. Tapos isang adapter para marami kang saksakan. And they have a free Wi-Fi na may mga USB port na din for charging. And another saksakan over here. And ito yung mga drawers. Tapos chair. May lamp. So ito yung binubuksan namin sa gabi lang pag matutulog. Tapos yan, may curtains. Tapos ito yung view namin. I think we are on the back. Sa front tayo kasi yung Vigor. Sa baba. Nasa harap. And then, yan. Yan lang yung view namin from our bedroom. And yeah. This is our room for 5 days. Baba, are you gonna miss our bedroom?
Yeah.
Really? What is your most favorite feature of the bedroom? Of our...
Expensive.
What else? What is your favorite thing to do here? I think I know.
Wait.
I think I know.
Wait, I'm gonna draw it. Do we have paper?
No, I think I know what is your favorite part here. Your favorite thing to do is here. In the bathroom. You love to? Yes.
To swim in the bath.
Yeah. You always take a bath there, right?
I didn't
Yeah.
know I miss taking a bath here.
Yeah. So yeah, sulit naman dito, yung ibang hotel, kumpara sa ibang hotel na mahal, dito sobrang kasya na kami, good for family of 3. So yun lang guys, pupunta na kami ng Avenue Stores. Bye, see you later.
Bye!